Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete stickers on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More to access additional features and settings within the app. This is where you'll find various tools and customization options that aren't immediately visible on the main chat screen. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new menu with different options. From here, look for and tap on Sticker Market. This is Viber's built-in sticker store where you can browse, download, and manage all your sticker collections. It's also the gateway to controlling which stickers you want to keep or remove from your library. Now pay attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents the settings for your sticker collection. Tap on this gear icon to access your sticker management area. This is where all the customization happens and where you have full control over your downloaded stickers. After tapping the gear icon, you'll be able to see all your stickers displayed in one place. This includes every sticker pack you've downloaded or purchased through Viber. Take a moment to scroll through the list and browse your collection to find exactly which sticker pack you want to remove. Once you've found the sticker pack you want to delete, look to the right side of that sticker pack. You'll see a trash can icon positioned beside it. This icon is specifically designed for removing unwanted sticker packs from your collection. Go ahead and tap on the trash can icon next to the sticker pack you wish to delete. After tapping the trash can icon, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Viber's way of making sure you really want to remove this sticker pack, preventing accidental deletions. The message will ask you to confirm your decision before permanently deleting the stickers from your library. Finally, tap Yes to confirm the deletion. This will permanently remove the sticker pack from your Viber account, freeing up space and decluttering your sticker collection. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted stickers from your Viber app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.